ships above would know. Her song was once deep, ancient and wide. Now she sings into static and tide. They say she should let the silence go, but how do you mourn what the world won't know? Where did the sound go, mother of blue? Your child, the echo, no longer moves. You carry the stillness across the waves, while humans chart maps to profit and pay. We poison your fish, build walls of sound, choke the sea with plastics and drown the old whale passing concrete law while pretending they still felt all. But you kept swimming, holding her near, a visual of love the world refused to hear. If whales could whip, the sea would rise and flood the earth with all we'll deny. Where did the sound go, Mother Divine? Your song is the heartbeat lost in time. But through your grief a truth remains. The sea still holds our forgotten names. And if we listen, not with ears but soul, earth is not ours alone to keep. It breathes through forest, whales and reef. No life survives in silence and greed. Only